Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Govee Home app to turn on or off your Govee floor lamp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got new Govee products and you have the Govee Home app. How do you actually go ahead and use the Govee Home app in order to turn on or off your Govee floor lamp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto your Govee Home app. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to go ahead and click onto your Govee floor lamp. And there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing so. On the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a power icon. If you click on that, that is going to turn off your floor lamp. And if you click on it again, that is going to turn on your floor lamp. Likewise, from this interface that you see here, you could actually go ahead and turn off your floor lamp by clicking on the power icon, and you can see operation has succeeded, or you can turn it on and you can see the operation has succeeded again. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off and actually go ahead and use the Govee Home app to turn on or off your Govee floor lamp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.